Hey viewers, today we are going to present you a recipe of energy bars using muesli, which is one of the healthiest snacks which everyone would love to eat. Hey viewers, if you are new to our channel, it's about healthy lifestyle maintenance that includes quick recipes for weight management with easily available ingredients. Homemade beauty tips with natural elements available at your home. Yoga and fitness tips for your physical and mental health. Travel vlogs on new places that we visit. Please subscribe to our channel for interesting updates. Thank you. Let's know the benefits of the recipe. It has full stack of fiber. It has beta-glucan, which reduces cholesterol. As cholesterol is reduced, it's good for heart. It's rich in vitamin K, A and E. Muesli is better recommended compared to oats, cornflakes, etc. Ingredients required are muesli. We have used fruit and nut muesli, sunflower seeds, cashew and almonds, mixed seeds, jaggery, and unsalted butter. Let's get into the process. In the large pan, over low to medium heat, toast the sunflower seeds, mixed seeds, and dry fruits. Stir them occasionally for 5 to 7 minutes. Be careful not to burn the mixture. After the process is done, set aside to cool. In a pan over medium heat, put the butter and add jaggery to it. Stir constantly for 3 to 4 minutes or until the jaggery has dissolved. Bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to low without stirring for 5 minutes. Add muesli and the roasted seeds. Stir well until combined. Grease with butter in a baking tray and place the butter paper. Spoon the mixture into the prepared baking pan. Now allow this to cool for 30 minutes. Once the mixture is cooled, cut into pieces. These bars can be stored in an airtight container for up to 7 to 10 days. I hope you like the recipe. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting updates. Thank you.